Having trouble getting 8BitDo Ultimate software to detect your controller can quickly become irritating, especially when you're trying to customize buttons, adjust profiles, or update firmware. Many users notice that the controller works perfectly in games, yet the software refuses to recognize it. Sometimes the device appears briefly and then disappears, while other times it never shows up at all. In many situations, an 8BitDo Ultimate software not recognizing controller issue can happen because of connection problems, outdated firmware, software glitches, or incorrect controller modes. Before changing random settings or reconnecting everything repeatedly, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the controller detected properly. 1. Reconnect the controller using the correct cable or adapter. 2. Restart the 8BitDo Ultimate software completely. 3. Check that the controller is in the proper input mode. 4. Update the controller firmware if available. 5. Reopen the software and test the connection again.